As a busy woman always on the run, I have a hard time waiting for the water to boil in the microwave or on the stove. That's why I love my Royal Electric tea kettle. It's faster than a microwave or a conventional stovetop kettle. In just a few minutes, water is boiling and bubbling, ready for my cup of tea. This kettle features an auto shutoff. It holds 1.7 liters of water, is completely immersible, and has a wide opening for easy cleaning. It uses one touch on and off switch, and the cord wraps around the base for easy storage. Because it is made of high-quality materials, you know it is safe, BPA-free, and there are no harmful plastics. I really appreciate the anti-slip grip on this kettle, and the soft blue LED light lets me know when it's on and working. The Royal Electric Kettle is a great addition to your home or apartment. You'll discover how convenient and useful this product is, and you'll wonder, how did I ever live without it?